Welcome to our tutorial on how to prevent X, Twitter, from accessing your files with the latest update. By following these steps, you can control the permissions granted to X and protect your files and media privacy. Start by opening the Settings app on your device, where you can access and manage various settings for your apps and device preferences. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Application Manager, depending on your device, to view and control the settings for individual apps. Find and select X from the list of apps displayed on your screen, taking you to the specific settings for the X app. Tap on Permissions within the X app settings to control and customize the permissions granted to the app on your device. Toggle on the switch next to Files and Media or Storage to allow or deny X access to your files. Lastly, select Don't Allow to prevent X from accessing your files and media content. By following these steps, you can ensure that X, Twitter, does not have unauthorized access to your files, enhancing your privacy and security. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you protect your files from unwanted access by X.